Hi everyone, editing me here. Okay, so the video you're going to watch is not one of my normal videos. Sometimes I record things and I'm just recording from my video diary. I don't upload them. This is actually one of them. I'm just creating a video diary for plans that I'm going to do in the garden next year. And as you can tell by the title, I came across the plants I've been going to the garden center every week for. Yes, my hibiscus and my hydrangea. And if you saw my video last week, you know that I found it at Home Depot, but I've been waiting for the hibiscus as well. And I'm not going to get them planted for now, but I wanted you guys to see them. This way you can go check your garden center, because I've been to Lowe's. I don't have any footage from Lowe's, but Lowe's, I saw them with limelight hydrangeas as well. Home Depot, they also have hydrangeas, the Bobo hydrangeas. And today I went to Hagen Ace Hardware, and they have both my limelight hydrangea as well as my Holy Grail hibiscus. They have Summerific hibiscus, Berry Awesome hibiscus, and Valentine Crush. So they had a lot of hibiscus, and I haven't been there in about 2 weeks. I'm not even sure if that's the old batch because they looked a bit dried up. But yes, so I sure grabbed enough to do the project that I want to do, but I'm not going to be planting them anytime soon. And by the time that video goes live, they might not be there anymore, because you know those type of plants do not stay in the garden center very long. So this is my PSA to you to check your local Ace, Home Depot, Lowe's to see if your plant is there that you're looking for, especially if you're looking for the limelights and the hibiscus. Those are there. You also know that I'm looking for Bloomingdale's hibiscus. Bloomingdale's, what's the hold up? I've been waiting for the hibiscus as well. So I didn't get all the hibiscus I wanted because I'm leaving a spot for the Bloomingdale's hibiscus as well. These are perennial hibiscus. It's not the same as the tropical hibiscus that are in store. So I'm looking for the perennial ones because, as you know, I'm in North Florida and we do get frost here, and the tropical hibiscus does not stand up to the frost. But let me send you on to the video. It's like I said, it's not a full garden center tour video, so just a quick show of what was there. And because I didn't really go there to record, I actually went there just for me. There's a lot of times I go to the garden center and I don't record it for you guys. So yes, I've been holding out on you guys. All right, off to the garden center. I'm at Ace Hardware and I'm seeing these salvias, and guess which one I have my eyes on. There's so many different colors, but guess which one? Guess. The red ones. I like this one, the Red Hill Salvia. Look at this. And this one down here is a little bit different, a different brand. Vista Red. Then this one looks a little bit longer than the Red Hill. I'm not sure because one is in the sun or not. I think the same salvia but just different brands. But I've never planted a red salvia before. I think this will be perfect. And of course, Proven Winner's got this fuchsia looking. Oh, it is fuchsia, rockin' fuchsia. But I'm not wanting a fuchsia or purple. I have purple salvias already. I have the Mystic Spires. The red, I'm liking, and I have an idea where to put it. But I kind of want to do it for next year. So I was wondering if it's a perennial to get it now and then plant it next year. Are you tired? Yes. Okay, you can go to sleep. So we just left gymnastics and I'm running in. So I'm not supposed to be buying anything. I'm actually looking if they have my hibiscus. That's what I'm looking for. Guys, they're here. Is this my limelight? Let me take a look. They're here. It's my limelight. These are huge. How much gallon is this? Wow. Zones 3 to 9. It's a 3 gallon. How much is it? Where's the price? So I want to do a limelight henge, of course, inspired by the Southerner's Northern Garden. He had a limelight hedge. So yes, I want to do a hedge inspired by Matthew with the Southerner's Northern Garden. I'm trying to find the price of it, because these are 3 gallons. Oh my gosh, where is the price? So guys, the limelight hydrangeas are in. Mommy. Yes, sweetheart. And I just said, let me just pop in
Oh, it's right there, $32.99. I wonder how much it is online. I think it's more expensive. This is a 3-gallon, and it's why I like coming in the store because it's cheaper in store. There goes some coleus. Guys, I had to grab another cart. Guys, and let me walk down here and look what's hiding down here. The hibiscus I'm looking for. I don't understand why these stores keep hiding the plants I want in the back. So guys, if you go to your garden center, don't just stand by the front and the middle. Walk all the way down. And look at this. This is literally at the very back of the store hiding. They normally have it in the inside in the middle, but it's actually outdoors. I guess they want them to get sun so they can be acclimated with our Florida weather. But funny enough, what did I say? I'm just popping in to look to see if they have my hibiscus and my limelight hydrangea and any other hydrangeas, because I really like those because I want to do the hedge, and they have it. So I was also prepared to purchase a Japanese maple today, but since I'm using up all my money for the hydrangea and the hibiscus, look at this. I wasn't going to get this big one. I probably was going to get the one that's like 120. It's over there, 120, the smaller ones, so they can grow this big. I don't need the big one already, the one that's already big. But look, but I do need it for before fall comes in, because I want to see the red color for fall. This one's $254. So these are $130. So these are smaller. I'll take the smaller one. So half the size for half the price. Needs well draining soil. So today wasn't supposed to be come with me shopping video day, so I'm sorry if my footage is a bit shaky because I was not prepared for this at all. But I just want to show you guys that, hey, run to your garden centers. And look at my toddler climbing up the cart. So I normally don't bring her with me. You want to get out? Yeah. No, you're gonna mess with the flowers. I grabbed 4 of the limelight hydrangeas there, and they have so many. I think 4 is enough. I do need more than 4, but I think I'll get 4 more next year if I need more than 4. But look at them, 3 gallons limelight hydrangeas, $32. I think that's a good steal. It's cheaper than what I've been seeing online. Let me go back to my hibiscus. So this is how unprepared for a video I was, guys. I'm so sorry. But let me grab my hibiscus. But I wanted to show you guys at least, hey, I'm in North Florida stores. In fact, last week, was it last week or the week before last? I went into Home Depot and they had limelight hydrangea in the back. There was like brooms and mops leaned up next to it. Like, do you guys want to sell them or not? Or are you guys hiding them for people? So go to your big box store. They have them in stock. Sorry, I just took her out. But let me. Whoa, my cart's running away. You gotta watch the cart for mommy, okay? So let me see which one this is. So I know I needed the Holy Grail and this Valentine Crush. This one is good because it's a columnar hibiscus. So I don't necessarily need that one, but I know which one it is, and it was actually on my Plan C list of hibiscus to get. Oh, these are getting burned. So here goes the Holy Grail. So this is the one I wanted, and I have the smaller one, and that's why I didn't plant it because I was holding off on this one. Wow, you found a weed. Beautiful. Plants are growing out of your arm.
Why?
All right, so let me go ahead and grab these hibiscus. I finally got them. I'm so excited. And everyone was so sweet. They helped me bring the carts outside because I literally had 3 carts, the baby plus these, so they fit. Well, that's not good. I can't see out the back. We are at the Home Depot nursery. Oh my world, what is that? Guys, I almost gave up and walked out the store. Oh my gosh, wait, bubble hydrangea. Guys, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Bubble hydrangeas, they barely made it. They're still on the thing, like they just came off the truck probably yesterday or earlier today, but they're burnt. It's okay, guys, I can take you home, rehab you. Pugster. Ooh, pinker. I don't have a pink, but oh my gosh, I need to go get my cart. Listen guys, I put the cart back because I'm saying, let me go look for the blueberry. They don't look like they have it. And I'm like, let me go take a look what's over there. They have the Bobo hydrangea. Okay, you guys can tell I'm excited. Here come my babies.